We're moving on to the dynamic dip we will call the dirty dancing. Let's start with the men's perspective. Keep your back straight, place your arms around the lady's back. Now bending both your knees, lead the lady into the dip. To the left side, draw a semicircle with her head, leading her to the right and pull her back to the vertical position. Ladies, you will start this part with the right hand on the man's shoulders. During the dip, you will add the left hand as well. Getting into the pose, bend your right knee, direct your hips forward to the man, chest goes up, tilt your head backward, and shifting your weight to the left leg, draw a semicircle with your head. You're ending up on the man's right side with both your hands on his shoulders. At the end, connect your feet and shift your weight to the right leg before the next part. Let's show this pose from the front as well. Start on the right leg. As you tilt backward, direct your hips forward and straighten your elbows. Shift your weight to the left leg, get back up, then connect your feet and shift your weight to the right leg. Gentlemen, make sure to create some space for the lady to connect her feet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.